The burp contest. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, I'm out. You can make a really huge one. Wait. Wait. Suspense is killing. You didn't even get a burp from that.
No.
That was my last one. Okay, how much you got left? Okay, a little bit. It's the last burp. Holy crap. Okay. Post a comment and say who won. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Dang it.